Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, checking out some styles, really giving you some options and ideas that you can play around with for your own hair desires and needs. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this salt and pepper angled bob. Wow, that was such a dramatic transformation. She looks absolutely amazing. So then we move on to the next one. So she has really pretty long orange copper hair. The stylist chops all that hair off. Oh, wow. So she does end up getting a pixie. Oh, I love her hair color. The cut, this is absolutely gorgeous. Nice choppy layers within the cutting. Beautiful shape and texture. What a dramatic transformation. Wow, look at this really pretty pixie bob variation. Loving the money piece color pop in the bangs. Beautiful mix of fuchsia and black. Oh, and then she turns to the other side and shows off this orange copper shade. Wow, this is an absolutely stunning hairstyle. So here we have someone with long, mid-back length hair. So she tells the stylist what she wants. Looks like she is going to be getting the haircut. So she is going to be going quite short with this hair change. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. I love the fluffy texture. So much bounce and sheen within those curls. She looks radiant. Wow, so we have someone cutting their hair here. Looks like she might be getting an undercut. Oh, she went platinum. Oh my goodness, wow. And I love the way that this platinum color looks paired with her red lip. So gorgeous. Her hair looks absolutely amazing. So here we have someone that looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Nice asymmetrical pixie with the longer bangs in the front. And then she's going to be getting some color as well. Oh, wow. She ended up going with this bright blonde shade. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, she looks like a completely different person. So pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.